Hey everyone, Curtis Notabome here at Karl Chevrolet. Today we're talking about power, EV power to be more specific. All of our new car locations now have DC fast chargers, and we're here to talk about that with you today. Charging locations at Ankeny have easy access right off the interstate. There are 4 plug-ins available. There is also access to pull a trailer through one of the locations. Plugs used are the DC fast chargers or the CCS style. The charging speed is up to 180 kilowatt hours. The cost to charge per the vehicle is based off of the kilowatt hours that you use. So once you get your car parked, real simple, just open your charge port here, grab your plug, plug it in, hit the start button. There you go, preparing to charge. Most DC fast charger systems want you charged to about 80%, because after that the speed tapers off quite a bit and you won't be able to charge as quickly. Karl Auto Group understands the EV market is changing and developing, and we're proud to offer DC fast charging at all of our new car locations. If you have any interest or would like more information on these charging stations or on any EV vehicles that we offer, feel free to get a hold of us at any time at the Karl Auto Group. We're here to help.